Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Beta males are not the confident just like alpha males. However, that doesn't mean alpha males are best. Beta males are also have the traits which will make them best partners and they will loving and caring in a relationship. Beta males might be best kind of guy you can have in your life. Here we will discuss 7 characteristics of a beta male. Number 1 is he cares about your needs as opposed to alpha males who think they are the best and are too much confident about them. They think they knew everything. That's why they will never ask to you about your needs and will do what they think is right. Beta males are careful and ask you to what please you and what makes you happy. And that's the reason why they are so much better than alpha males when are in a relationship. Number 2 is he protects you. Does your partner protects you from little and big things in life? Does he make sure you are safe when you go alone somewhere or gives you his shoulder to cry on when you feel down or sad? Then chances are he is a beta male and that's a great thing. Number 3 is he is reliable. Beta males are most reliable partners. They will be protective and hide your flaws and mistakes from others. This is the most loving thing they will do in relationship for their partners. They will always be there for you when you need them because they value you more than anything in their life. You are more than just a woman he is spending life with. You are someone with he truly wants to spend his entire life. Number 4 is he is not afraid of commitment. Mostly men are afraid of commitment so they run away from serious relationships. However, beta males are not. They want to start their lives with a partner. They are responsible. So they are ready to take this responsibility and fulfill this role with honesty. So you will feel lucky if you have beta males in your life and you should be. Number 5 is he respects you. Beta males gives everyone equal respect. He doesn't consider himself better than anyone. Beta males respect everyone regardless of their position in society. That's why they treat their partners also with same respect and dignity because that's the way that he wants to be treated. Number 6 is he doesn't control you. Beta males doesn't consider themselves as superior beings. They see their life partner as equal to themselves and so they will treat you equally. Likewise, they also don't. If you try to this, they will walk away. They don't involve in competition, will to control other manipulation in a relationship. They are the ones who want to be positive so it add values in their life. They don't stay in toxic, abusive or controlling relationships. 7 is he communicates openly. Does your partner is open to you and communicates openly? Does he shares his thoughts and feelings open to you? Then surely he will be a beta male. Beta males know the importance of clearing things up. Beta males will always be ready to listen you and always have open doors. They know the value of relationship and the communication in a relationship. Whenever you encounter conflicts or contrary opinions, they will always the one who talk about it openly. They don't put egos in their relationship and will be easygoing. You will find be protective, loving, caring and most reliable person in your life. Contrary to alpha males, beta males are most reliable and will be most caring partners. So this was our today's video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like to our video and to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Up till next video, take care.